Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft Outlook 2016 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block unwanted messages. Let's get started. So I have my inbox displaying here, and this tutorial is going to cover everything to do with junk email, setting up safe senders and recipients, and also blocking messages from unwanted senders. Let's get started. So I'm in my inbox, and if you go just down past your inbox, you're going to see junk email is down here. I've moved some email into this junk email area, and these are two emails from the Microsoft team. I have one for Microsoft Microsoft OneDrive, and one from the Outlook team. Notice that whenever anything is in your junk email, that links and other functionality have been disabled within the message. To turn on the functionality, you have to get the message back into your inbox, and currently it's in a plain text format, so you're not going to see any images or links in here. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to scan the messages and see if they're valid or not. So I could see that this one is from mail.onedrive.com and this one is from Microsoft.com. Let's say that I think this one here is a valid message and it didn't really belong in my junk mail. Well, one way to move it back into the inbox is to go to the Home tab, Delete Group, and right here's the Junk button. And this is where we can mark the selected items as junk and prevent the items from the sender. You could also keep them from being marked as junk. So I'm going to click on right here, and I have some options like block sender, never block sender, or never block their domain. So that would be like at Microsoft.com, or never block this group or mailing list. Down here, I have not junk and junk email options. So not junk marks the message as not junk, so it's no longer treated as junk. So if I click on this one, you'll see that it now says this message will be moved back to the inbox folder, and it gives me a checkbox for always trusting the email no reply at Microsoft.com. I click OK, and you'll now see that there's only one message within my junk email folder. Alright, so where did the other message go? Well, now we see it's right back here in my inbox, and it's this one right, where's it at? Microsoft Store, oh, this one right here, no reply at Microsoft.com. So we've located a message that's valid, and we've now learned how to move it back to our inbox. Now future messages will no longer be moved to junk from this sender, so that's good. We're going to locate now messages that are definitely junk, and I'm going to show you how to delete it. Let's say this Microsoft message is definitely junk mail and I don't want it. I could actually go right here to this X and delete it that way. Or I could press delete on my keyboard. And if I press delete on my keyboard, you'll see that the message is now gone. And so now it's an empty junk folder. So now what we're going to do is we're going to display the inbox, and I'm going to scan for messages that I would like to move to the junk folder. So this is the opposite, right? And so I want the filter to catch it and move it to junk and block future messages from the sender. So let's say that I go right here and I see Microsoft Store email. I see this one here, and let's say that I don't want Microsoft Store to send me anything else. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to junk. So I'm going to go to the Home tab, Delete Group, click on Junk, okay? And then I have some options: block sender, never block sender from that domain, and again, never block from this group. I'm going to go right here to block sender, and you'll see it's now no longer listed in here. And if I go to my junk email, here it is, and there's the Microsoft Store one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the junk email options dialog box, and we're going to review the protection levels and see which one you want to use. So if I go to the Home tab, Delete Group, and I choose junk, I could go right down here to the last option, which is junk email options. This is where Outlook decides, this is where you could set your Outlook options so that they're perfect for you. Okay, and so it could move email to your junk folder automatically. Currently, I do not have any automatic filtering selected, and this means mail from blocked senders is only moved to the junk email folder. So it's not going to do any automatic filtering. So any emails that come in, they're first going to go to my inbox unless I figure out that they're junk, and if they are, then they're going to go to the junk folder, and all future emails will also go to the junk folder from that email list. Next up is low, and this moves the most obvious junk email to the email folder. Okay. Next up is high, which moves most junk emails caught, but some may not be caught, so you're going to want to check your junk email folder often. And then finally, safe lists only. and this is only mail from people on your safe senders list or safe recipients list will be delivered to your inbox. So if you know that you're only going to receive emails from certain people and you want it to be a very private email list, then you would choose safe lists. Down here, you have 3 checkboxes, 2 of which are currently disabled. This permanently deletes suspected junk email instead of moving it to the junk email folder. So if I know that I've currently set up my junk email to where Microsoft Store goes to the junk email folder, it may get annoying if they send me like 10 emails a day because I'm going to have to go in here and still empty the folder. So if I want it to automatically delete any junk email, I click on that checkbox right there, which will automatically delete it. You'll see right down here, it'll 2 disabled options. If I change my level of protection up to low, medium, or sorry, low, high, or safe lists only, these 2 then become available, which is disabling links and functionality from in phishing emails, and warn me about suspicious domain names in email addresses. So you have those options, but you do not have those options if you leave it on no automatic filtering. Okay, I'm going to leave mine with the default settings. You could choose the ones that are right for you. Next up is safe senders. Notice that earlier on in this tutorial, I looked at no reply at Microsoft.com and I said, hey, this is not junk. That means it's safe senders. So it'll never be treated as junk mail. So if you keep getting emails from people that end up in your junk folder, all you have to do is select not junk. It'll automatically put them in the safe senders list, and then they'll be listed here. If you have anyone else that you want to make sure their email comes to you, you just click right here on add and you type their email in right here. Okay, you could either type their full email, or if you know they're at a certain company with a certain domain, you could type in that right there and it'll automatically be accepted. Same for the safe recipients list. Blocked senders. Earlier in this tutorial, I blocked Microsoft Store at microsoftstoreemail.com. That means if they send me any more emails, it's going to automatically go right here into my junk folder. And again, if I wanted that to be automatically deleted, I would click this checkbox right here in my options to permanently delete anything within my junk folder. And then once I'm done with my changes, I click apply and then I click OK. And there we go. And that's everything you need to know about your junk email option. So hopefully this video has taught you a little bit more about how junk email works within Microsoft Outlook, and I've taught you how to block senders, add senders to your safe senders and recipients list, and also how to set up your junk email options for permanently deleting your junk emails. If this video has been helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to your channel, to this channel. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.